Check out this powerhouse custom loop build. We've got the Intel Core i9-14900K, ready to handle anything you throw at it, from 4K gaming to heavy content creation. For the motherboard, we're using the ROG Strix Z790A, packed with top-tier features for unbeatable performance. We're also rocking Corsair Dominator, 128GB of high-performance RAM for seamless multitasking and extreme speeds, and storage, a 4TB Samsung 990 Pro SSD to give you lightning-fast load times and massive space for all your files and games. Cooling? We're going all in with Bixby custom water cooling components, sleek tubing, vibrant reservoirs, and a smooth flow to keep things cool under pressure. Of course, it's paired with the beastly RTX 4080 for insane graphics and buttery smooth frame rates. All of this is housed in the NZXT H9 Elite case. Perfect airflow and stunning RGB lighting to show off this insane build. Performance, looks, and cooling. This custom loop has it all.